said, this only what I learned of you. Receive ye the Spirit by the works of the law or by hearing of faith? How did you receive the Spirit? Was it by the works of the law or was it by hearing of faith? Verse 3, are ye so foolish, having begun in the Spirit, are ye now made perfect by the flesh? He's asking them a question. Are you foolish? Are you so foolish? You started in the Spirit, believing, having faith. Are you now made perfect by the flesh? Now you got circumcised. Are you now perfect? Wasn't you perfect already by having faith? But now you got circumcised, so now you think you're perfect in the flesh? Are you now made perfect by the flesh? He's asking them a question because the other people done came back and told them, y'all need to be circumcised. In the same way it is today with the 501c3 corporations, they teaching this false doctrine that Jesus is coming back for everybody. Jesus is only coming back for Israel, his chosen people. God started with Israel. He's going to finish with Israel. Go read Revelation. It's 12 gates for the 12 tribes of Israel. People are going to say, oh, it's about the church. Israel is the church. Israel is the body of Christ. Verse 4.